Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Well, for today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made this pretty tie-dye dupatta. So, without further ado, let's get started. For this project, I was planning to do it with the boys and therefore I got them 4 plain white pillow covers. They were priced at 90 rupees each. And then I dip them in water to remove the starch so that they'll be a bit more absorbent. You can let them dry fully or, as I did, partially dry, and then you can start the project. So each of them got a pillowcase. And if you do this pattern, you get a pretty pinwheel design. Let me know if you've tried tie-dyeing or dyeing fabric in any way, and share in the comments down below your experience. This method gave 2 pinwheels, and then we attached rubber bands to keep them secure. We used a large basin for each of the pillowcase, and then these sachets contain 10 grams of fabric color. We had red, yellow, green, sky blue, and maroon. We also had a darker blue and black, which I didn't use at this one. Had a cup of warm water. I used these disposable cups and added a little of the powder, and once you add the water, you see the colors. The more water you add, the more lighter the color. And a little powder goes a long way. Next, taking a toothpick, I gave them each a quick stir so that all the powder was mixed up. And now that our colors are ready, let's start the dyeing process. The boys went in full mode, adding each color one at a time to their liking. And just wait till the end to see the result. This was the green and the blue. And then of course he had to add red to the mixture. Be sure to soak the fabric in the colors, else you will have white spots. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon if you like such simple DIYs. And then I let them soak for around 15 minutes before I rinsed it out. Do use gloves if possible, as they do stain your fingers. I rinsed it out with normal cold tap water and rinse till the water runs clear. And then I squeezed it dry, and then we remove the rubber bands to reveal the design. This is the exciting part. And ta-da! The boys were thrilled, and then I hung them up to dry. And yes, we did do a kerchief, a bag, a t-shirt, and my customized pretty dupatta. And this was how the pillow covers turned out. The boys were very happy with their craft. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile Jesus loves you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Keep counting your blessings. Bye-bye.